Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in.
Tees, braids, weaves, and wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas.
My God, look at this hair growth. Look at this hair growth that she has had since she's been using our hair growth butter. Oh my goodness. Nana, your hair show is growing.
Yeah, it's growing.
Previously on Ready to Love.
Probably if it wasn't, but as always, because I always put the butter around, you know.
I am Eric, and
So I had to start this video out with my client's hair growth. Yes, she has been using our hair growth butter for approximately 1 year now, and I am going to be posting some photos and some videos of her hair before she started using our hair growth butter, so you can see her growth. Yes, our hair growth butter is the truth. Take a look at her before pictures. This is her hair before using G&G hair growth butter. And look at her hair now. And yes, as usual, I am starting off with my hair and scalp massage and moisturizer using our G&G. Yes, look at this hair growth butter. I love it. I love it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it leaves your hair feeling nice and soft and silky. Look how it melts just right into your scalp, giving your scalp all the nutrients it needs to promote hair growth. Yes, ladies, this is what we want to do. We want to moisturize our scalp as well as our hair. Look how I am moisturizing her hair as well. And look at that growth. Oh my gosh, this growth. This hair growth butter is the truth. Believe me. Get your order in today and start using it. Each order comes with some extra tips to do and to use along with the hair growth butter. Yes, every order includes the tips. And also a special free gift if you order a large. So yes, our prices are very affordable. Small jars are $10. My braid pattern, the foundation for my client who has come in today to get her a beautiful crochet style. So continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is accomplished. I will be back to discuss in details each step that I am doing. So again, continue to watch. Yes, continue. using this silicone cap today. It is anti-slip. Yes, it eliminates headaches. It is well ventilated. It is so beneficial to this style and to just using it. Look at this cap. It is so many benefits. Look at that silicone. It's a strip that goes around the entire perimeter. What does that silicone do? It helps this cap cling to your scalp. It clings to your forehead into the back of your head. Yes, it is very durable. I love the holes that are in this cap because it makes it very ventilated. Yes, ladies, we need to make sure that our hair is very ventilated and able to breathe underneath our protective hairstyles. And look how much net is left at the top. So yes, it fits all head sizes. So if you have that extra large head, yes, this cap will fit. I also have a technique or a tip that I'll show you if the cap or the band is a little too tight. The ultimate goal is to make sure that the cap is fitting comfortably. Yes, you want it to be so comfortable that you won't even know that it's on your head. So that's how we have to make it fit. I am going to customize it around her ears to make sure that it's very comfortable and fitting, very snug but not too tight around her ears and around her forehead and around the back side of her neck. So here I am doing the slits. Oh, actually I'm going to show you the silicone strip. Look at that strip. Look how that strip goes around the entire perimeter of the cap, and look how flat it lays. It gives you a really nice natural look, and that's what we want. Yes, we want our styles to look as natural as possible. We want people to never know that you have any hair loss, that your hair is thin, or that your hair is damaged underneath your protective style. So I'm going to start sewing right here, and again you're going to see me here sewing, and I am sewing above the band. Yes, above the band. I'm not sewing on the band. Why? Because again, I want that natural look. I want it to look as natural as possible. I want the hairline to look as natural as possible. So I am going to continue sewing, and you will see the technique and the method that I use to sew down this cap. Why am I sewing down this cap? Because I want to make sure that this cap is secure. I don't want it to move. I don't want it to shift. I don't want it to slide at all doing this protective style that she is getting today. So the sewing down is to make sure that it's secure, and I am not going to be crocheting the hair to her hair, meaning I'm going to crochet the crochets to the net. When I get to that part, I'll show you exactly what I mean. So again, continue to keep watching and see the method of how I sew down this cap to make sure that it is secure so that it does not move, shift, or slide. So keep watching. See, right here, I am crocheting on the net. I am not crocheting through her braids or on her natural hair. This is the purpose of the sewing the cap down, because now the cap is secure and I don't have to use her hair to secure the cap down, to keep the cap from moving. So again, here you will see that I'm attaching the crochet braids on the net. I did crochet on the band because I do not want the band to be shown. I want it to look as natural as possible, especially if she decides to kind of pull it up off her neck into a low ponytail or bring it up off her neck. I don't want that band to show, so that it will look more like her natural hair. So again, as you can see here, I'm only crocheting on the net, which relieves any tension, any stress, and any pressure or pulling on her natural hair. And I love, again, look how durable this net is. I am able to put that latch hook through, pull the crochets through with no problem. The net will not tear, will not rip. I won't have any holes in the net. I don't have to worry about any of that because this silicone cap is very durable. It's secure. It's stretchy. And I love it because it lasts the whole duration of the protective style. So again, when you are crocheting, just crochet to the net. Once you've sewn the net down, it should be secure enough. You should not have to crochet through the client's hair. So again, I'm going to just bring you up close so that you can see really close in detail what I'm doing. Again, keep watching and I'll come back and I'll discuss the next step. And yes, I do spray. I use my Got to Be Glue spray to spray the hair before I install it. Why? Because the Got to Be Glue spray helps set the curls or set the twists or the goddess locks, whatever crochets you are using. For me, it helps sets it and it keeps it in its original form, which is what we want. We want that pattern to stay just the same as it was when it came out the pack. So again, I do use some Got to Be Glue spray and I just spray it down a little bit. It doesn't take a whole lot. Just hit it with the spray and that will actually help the braid, the twist, the locks or whatever keep its pattern while you're doing your install. So again, continue to keep back.
Don't you look beautiful? Yes, you do. Somebody else is supposed to say it though.
That's all right. You can say you look beautiful to yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what you think?
Oh, it looks perfect. Perfect. Nice and full.
Yeah. And yes, does your feet look like this? Are you tired of dry, dead, old cracked skin on your feet and on your heels? Well, try our new foot butter cream. Yes, introducing our new foot butter cream that is infused with all natural ingredients. Yes, it will leave your skin looking nice and smooth. Try our foot butter today.